Your first drive in your ID.3. Eyes on the road and everything within sight. Keep the most important information for your journey and route in view at all times. The windscreen is the largest display inside your ID.3, with one of the world's first augmented reality head-up displays to feature in a production vehicle. It projects all the data important to you onto the windscreen. That includes your current speed, the most relevant traffic signs, and your active driver assist systems. In addition, turn prompts from the navigation system are projected directly onto the view of the road in front of you.
Volkswagen.